Paraphrasing
and plagiarism.
Do you even know that plagiarizing personal work is also known as plagiarism?
Rejection of manuscripts, expulsion, blacklisted by publishers, and unfulfilled as a researcher are some of the problems associated with plagiarism.
So, the major questions are 1. What is plagiarism? 2. How do I paraphrase other people's work?
Cutting and pasting facts or at least a sentence or a phrase from the work of others is known as plagiarism.
Wallwork, 2011, describes plagiarism as cutting and pasting from other studies and papers or taking credit for work that others have done.
Do you even know that plagiarizing personal work is also known as plagiarism?
This is true because some journals have stated that you cannot use more than 5 consecutive words from another paper that you have written and published. Besides, Similarity Report would reflect such a fact and use it to estimate a high similarity index.
So, what is Similarity Index? The following pictures show the outputs of the Similarity Index of 3 manuscripts. In most cases, the editors do not like to review any manuscript with a similarity index greater than 15 to 20%.
The percentage of overlap between a document submitted to a plagiarism detection software and published sources or materials is known as Similarity Index. Similarity reports provide a summary of matching or highly similar text found in a submitted paper.
The Similarity Index does not indicate plagiarism, rather the amount of text that has been found in other published material. But, if the author has referenced the source or material, then that is not plagiarism. However, this may not be a good academic writing style, but it shouldn't be treated as plagiarism. Next is to mention top 11 softwares for detecting similarity index. Each of the software shows the percentage of duplication.
1. Turnitin Authenticate. 2. Plagiarism Checker X free and paid. 3. Grammarly paid. 4. Copyscape free and paid. 5. White Smoke Trial and paid. 6. CopyLeaks free and paid. 7. Plagiarism free and paid. 8. PlagScan Trial and paid. 9. Plagium free and paid. 10. Plagiarism Software free and paid. 11. Unplag/Unicheck free and paid.
Next is to present some facts from Wallwork, 2011, on paraphrasing and plagiarism.
Generic implies any product that can be sold without a brand name or something applicable to an entire class or group.
When phrases in a published article are generic and very important to support some facts in your study, it is perfectly normal to copy such phrases. Note that these phrases must be generic and you are to present the phrases that contain the unique information in italics.
If you use any text from a published article but not in italics without any acknowledgement, then you are committing plagiarism. Note that plagiarism software would pick it up as a faulty sentence and produce a high similarity index.
A quotation mark is acceptable when you are reporting another author's definition or a philosopher's statement. Putting quotation marks around an unaltered sentence and giving the proper citation for the origin of the work does not technically constitute plagiarism.
See the example on the screen. Note that plagiarism software would pick it up as a faulty sentence, S, and produce a high similarity index.
Quote from another published paper by paraphrasing. Rather than quoting directly from the source, it is acceptable that you paraphrase the interesting sentence using your group of words based on your understanding.
But you must still reference the source, otherwise, it would appear that these are your conclusions.
Wallwork, 2011, suggests that switching parts of speech, for example noun to verb, noun to adjective, is a great way to paraphrase and disguise the original. Other techniques to paraphrase according to Wallwork, 2011, are to
1. Use synonyms for words that are not the major keywords, especially verbs, adverbs, and adjectives.
2. Change of part of speech. For instance, you could change from noun to verb, from noun to adjective, from one category of a noun to another category of a noun.
3. Change of nouns and pronouns from singular to plural, and vice versa.
4. Change of verb form. For example, you may change from ing form to infinitive, from simple to continuous, from active to passive.
4. Change of style from personal to impersonal, and
6. Reversal of the order in which information is presented.
If the original sentence in a published article contains ideas and conclusive statements, then the author or authors of such a report should be acknowledged. This is true even if you have radically changed the original so that it is now unrecognizable. Acknowledgements. Special thanks to Adrian Wallwork, the author of the book titled English for Writing Research Papers, published by Springer, New York, Dordrecht, Heidelberg, London. We share Tur appreciates the contribution of the textbook to the body of knowledge.
We share
Facts on research.
It is all about learning research facts and sharing with others.
Please subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.